Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're doing a walk around on a 1971 Monte Carlo. This one here has, I believe, to be 350 under the hood. The AC stuff's there. It's not cutting on. It's not working properly, so that's going to need some work. We're here to walk around this car, point out any kind of flaws that I could find so you know exactly what you're coming to buy. This one's got power steering, front disc brakes, good tires all the way around. I'm going to be looking for any kind of rust, any Bondo, scratches, chips. The paint job on this one is not the best paint job. It's been on here a long time, a bit faded, oxidized. But still, we're going to walk around. Anything that I see inside, out, and underneath, you're going to know about. Check out maplemotors.com for financing and shipping information. Close to 100 detailed pictures. And if you like the music at the beginning, music channel's up here in the right corner. I write all that. All right, getting started. Let's start up here in the front. The bumper on this one has got some scratches, a little bit of pitting popping up. Headlight bezels the same way. The grille is in great shape. Like I said, this paint is older. Look at the chips in the road. So we should be able to see any kind of rust that's been there or popping through as we go along. Some light scratches, some more chips, chip there. Checking the bottom of the door, looks like some wax. Somebody tried to wax it. That was before us. Some more chips. Those bottom of those panels are looking pretty solid. It's a good thing about having an older paint job. Can't really hide anything, can you? Trim around the windows is not bad. This window has a crack in it. It's going to need a replacement front windshield. We're going to be checking this vinyl top for any bubbles, rust. Water does get trapped up under these and causes issues. If I see any bubbles or I feel any of them, I will let you know. But so far, so good. They must have sealed that one up nicely. Looks like the trim's got some little dings in it. It's not perfect. Scratches down the panel. Some more scratches there. So here's just gonna need a paint job. That's all there is to it. Weather stripping in pretty good shape. Sealing up nicely. Trunk lid's not bad. Spare tire, jack. Pretty solid trunk. Look up at the package tray. Got some surface rust on it. Don't see any holes. Yeah, definitely some surface rust. Probably from moisture. Temperature change. All right, see how she shuts. Lines up pretty good. Back bumper in pretty good shape. Better shape than the front. Dual exhaust out the back. Car seems to perform pretty well. Checking the vinyl top. Almost feels like there's some bubbles right here, but I think that's just, it feels like a solid piece there, so I don't think that's what it is. That top looks really good. Seems like they did a good job putting it together. Got a dent back here. Looks like from the inside of the trunk. Some scratches. Like I said, all over the car. Got some scratches. Checking the bottoms of the doors again. We're going to check the inside of the bottom of the door as well. There's some bubbles. Some rust popping through on that front fender. On the back side behind the driver's tire. Keep running this. Some more chips. Scratches, all the good stuff. All right, we've ran around the whole car here. We're gonna go ahead and check the interior out now. Let's look up under this door. Door panel's not in bad shape. Could be better. A little pulled out there. Right to your pocket. That's where you can store stuff. Handle there's got a crack in it. Weather stripping needs to be replaced. It's gonna fall apart. It's kind of brittle. Looking at the bottom of the door. Not in bad shape. Your jamb looks pretty good. I like that carpet. Carpet looks good. Nice and clean looking. Your seat, a little wear on the edge there. Seat's got a small rip in it. A little dirty. I mean, it is white. You can't ever keep it clean. Well, I guess you'd call this a tan. Package tray, not too bad. Matches the seats, headliner. A little faded. Some stains over in the back corner. Pretty original to me. Go ahead and place your bets. You think the horn works on this one? Something we like to do on this channel for fun. Just a joke, running joke. Dash is pretty good. Let's go ahead and start it up. Yeah, that battery was dragging on the initial start up here. Well, let's try it again. I think I'm gonna get a battery when I get back. I don't want to burn anything up. Hang on just a moment. All right, guys, I had to call for backup. I went in and got on the jump box. We're gonna get a new battery put in this thing. It does start up easy when you got a good battery, though. That battery was old. Yeah. I didn't want him to shut the hood. I'll have to pause the video to open the hood back up. Oh well. Anyways, thanks, Jeff.
Triple A.
All right, let's keep this video rolling. So yeah, starts up. Really no gauges on the dash, you know, to check. They got a temperature light and an oil light. The gas gauge is working. Go ahead and try our windshield wipers. They do work. The radio, we got the face to it in the office. Horn does work. But we do have a bad battery, so we're not gonna cut it off. Give me 2 or 3 minutes and I'll get this hood back up for you. All right. Motor's nice and quiet on this one. The battery's looking a little bit older, so it's just bad. Probably go ahead and get a new wire for this one. That looks older. All right, the hood does shut down nice and easy. Missing our emblem here. All right, guys, I'm gonna give y'all some undercarriage shots. We're gonna start up in the front, go to the driver's side, rear, and passenger. Guys, as you can tell, it's 100% real here. We usually, you know, we try not to hide anything. We usually just do it all straightforward, live videos. I had to chop this one up a little bit. We will get a battery put in there and a cable fixed. Other than that, so far so good. We've been doing the test drive, going down the road. It does run and drive awesome. Definitely check out the test drive video if you want to know more about this Monte. MapleMotors.com has financing and shipping options. Close to 100 detailed pictures, and all of our inventory is available. We update that website once a week, every Monday. Check out our social media networks: Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, and of course here on YouTube. Also, if you like the music, top right hand corner, I write all of it. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again, guys. We're gonna jump back in the car and continue the test drive, finish both of these videos up for you. Let's get it.